Your suppliers may update their pricing regularly, and it's important for you to reflect those changes in ClickBoss. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways you can maintain the product pricing. The first way is updating individual items. For this exercise, I will select the supplier that we will maintain the pricing for, and here are the supplier's product catalog. I'll be updating this particular product of purchase price and the unit price. So click on the item, modify the purchase pricing. This is the price you would be paying to buy this product, including taxes. And recommended retail price, which is the sale price, at $9 only. And the minimum recommended retail is the minimum you would like to sell this item for in case you offer discounts. So in this case, we'll sell it for at minimum at the purchase price, which is our cost price. And simply apply. Search for the item again, or list of items for that supplier, and here it is, $3.90 your purchase price, and unit price is $9, and I would not like to sell this for less than $3.90 at any stage. This product has items in stock. By changing the sale price, the system will confirm if you want to update those already in stock. So by changing the recommended retail price, let's make this $15 for the product catalog. When I click apply, it will come back with this screen where it will say click OK button to update the prices of items that are already in stock. But if you want to keep those prices exactly the way they were, the items in stock, just click the back button. So by clicking OK, I have confirmed increase the prices of all items in stock as well as the future product catalog pricing. The second way of changing the prices is by using the formula. The formula allows you to select multiple products and apply a mass change to pricing. Let's select the supplier. Here are several ways you can use the formula section. Let's apply a fixed dollar amount. Simply select the products. In this case, you may select all, or I will select just several items. I'd like to make change to unit pricing here and make them all $40. Select the field to change, which RRP, also known as the unit price. I can just enter a particular dollar value to apply to. Now this will also update whatever's in stock as well. In this case, there are items in stock for this very first product, so it will update the sale price of those items. So $40, I've ticked the items. I want to change RRP, which is the sale price or the unit price. Click OK or apply, and here it is. They're all now $40. Now let's have a look at another way in which we can use the formula to update. I'm going to increase these 3 items, sale price or unit price, by 20%. So I will tick these items, and I'm going to create a new formula. I will select the RRP that I'm going to change, enter a name for the formula so it makes sense for future usages. So RRP increase by 20%. This is just the name. So now I will apply the actual formula. So RRP multiplied by 1.2. And that's that. So I will save this formula now. Now let's apply the change. And here you have it. All pricing, unit pricing has increased by 20%. The third way of changing the prices is to use the import data option. To do this, you need to use the report generator to first export the data you need to change. So let's have a look at the report generator and create a new report that would allow us to see the products that we want to change. So let's create a new report called products, or select from the products. The fields that you would need are minimal, such as barcode, the name of the product. In this case, I'm going to be changing a particular supplier's product catalog, so I'll select the supplier name. And let's have a look at purchase price and the sale price, which is what we're going to update. Click next. Now, because I'm going to look at a particular supplier name, I will look at modifying the criteria to say the supplier name is like ABC. So this will select all the products with a supplier name ABC. Now I want it in the CSV format, comma separated value, because that's what the system will use to import the data. Generate the report. And here's my report. I will open this. And there's my data. Here's my barcode, product name, supplier, selected all the supplier by ABC, purchase price and sale price. So I want to make changes to every one of these items one by one. Now we'll make these price changes, etc. So make your price changes, then save as a CSV already. I'll change the directory to desktop so that I've got ClickPOS export number 3 is the file name, and that's it. Close the export button. Now I can go to my import data. So under reports, import data. Choose the file. My desktop, that's the pricing. Open, upload the data. No issues, upload is successful. Now this is where the changes will occur. And data is successfully imported. Let's have a look at the items in stock, product maintain, search. Let's search by supplier ABC. And there you go. I've got my unit prices and all the prices that have been applied. You will note that the date Modified will also be updated because each and every one of these items have been updated. And also note that anything that may be in stock will now have the new pricing as well.